Thanks, honey. Thanks, honey.
Hello, today I will show you how to make your iPhone speak any sentence you want when you connect it to charge. We go to shortcuts, then in the middle there is automation, click on it, then click create personal automation, scroll down. Now we want our iPhone speak a sentence when we connect it to charge. If you want it to speak something when it's become low power mode, you can choose this. If you want your iPhone to speak any sentence when it's reach any level of battery level, you choose this. So choose this. Is connected, then tap next, add action, click add action, then search for speak text. You can see it here, speak test. Choose it. Now in this area, speak, next to speak there is a blue one, text, tap it. Now write which sentence you want your iPhone to speak when you connect the charge. I want it to say thanks honey, for example. Thanks. You can choose whatever you want. Also you can choose the language. Thanks honey. You see there is show more here. When you tap it, you can customize the rate of speaking, the pitch and the language, also the voice. Here is it's Daniel, but I will not change it. Okay. Now tap next. Ask before running, turn it off. Don't ask, click don't ask. Now click done. Let us try it. I will connect the iPhone to charge, as you see.
Thanks, honey.
Let's repeat again.
Thanks, honey.
You can choose whatever you want to speak. Okay, this is the thing what I want to show you today. I hope you like it. See you in another video.